Okay, it's time to do some lofting. So I've made this super simple little framework here. This is really just like one screw construction, and I very roughly level it up, really just with thwart ships. Didn't even really try to do too much. I just want to make sure there isn't too much wind in it. I could be a little higher on this one side, I think. I'll just go along and chin that side up just a hair. And really the only reason I bothered doing any leveling at all is just to make sure it isn't too twisted. And the reason for that is I just don't want it throwing off my eye when I'm sighting down low against my battens. There we go. That's pretty good. Okay, and I'm just going to heat up my glue gun, and I'll just go around and just put a little glob of glue at each of these shims just to make sure it doesn't drift out as I work on this thing, because it'll tend to sort of kick it around. I'm not going to use it for very long. It's going to be a pretty fast lofting job, mostly because the lines are already drawn full size, but I want to get a good idea as to the shapes longitudinally, which I can't figure out because I don't have full-size drawings of that, and I want to be able to plan out some of the other details like the cockpit area and whatnot. So this is really just a great way to sort of get the ball rolling. And so I sheathe it with some 3/4 inch plywood, and this is really just for underlying structure. And then over top we'll be putting 1/4 inch sanded fir plywood, because that's really nice to draw on. Every time I built a boat and didn't loft it first, with the exception of skin-on-frame kayaks, I've regretted it afterwards. So that's the main reason I'm doing this. On my last boat, I kind of partially lofted it. I did part of it half scale, part of it full scale, and I regret that because that really kind of screwed me up in a few spots.